Welcome to Immigration Info, your ultimate hub for all things immigration. Looking for visa tips, country guides, and the latest immigration updates? You're in the right place. Subscribe for expert insights and join our global community today.
Weekly Immigration Update. Key developments you need to know. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Immigration Info. In this video, we'll cover the most significant immigration news from the week of August 30th, 2024. Whether you're directly impacted by these changes, an advocate, or simply interested in the evolving landscape of immigration in the U.S., this update will help you stay informed. Key stories this week: 1. Biden administration's Keeping Families Together policy halted. A critical development occurred this week when a federal judge temporarily blocked the Biden administration's Keeping Families Together policy. This policy aimed to offer a pathway to citizenship for nearly 500,000 undocumented immigrants married to U.S. citizens, providing much-needed stability for mixed-status families. However, Judge J. Campbell Barker issued a 14-day stay, halting the Department of Homeland Security (DHS) from processing or granting parole under the rule, though applications can still be accepted during this period. This legal challenge, led by 16 Republican-led states, argues that the policy oversteps executive authority by creating new pathways to citizenship without congressional approval. For the immigrants affected, this halt introduces more uncertainty as they await further court rulings. 2. Rebound in international student enrollment despite recent challenges, including the COVID-19 pandemic and fluctuating immigration policies. International student enrollment in U.S. institutions is experiencing a strong recovery. Over 1.5 million international students now make up 5.5% of the total U.S. student body, with many pursuing degrees in STEM and business fields, critical areas for innovation and economic growth. The U.S. continues to attract international students, particularly from Asia, due to its high-quality education system and favorable post-graduation opportunities. The Optional Practical Training (OPT) program remains a key draw, helping the U.S. compete with countries like Canada and the U.K. for top talent. 3. EB-3, EW, and EB-5 visa categories reach annual cap. The U.S. State Department announced that visas for the EB-3 skilled workers, EW other workers, and ED-5 immigrant investors categories have reached their annual cap for the fiscal year 2024. This means that no further visas will be issued in these categories until the new fiscal year begins on October 1st, 2024. This pause impacts a broad range of applicants, including skilled workers and investors, causing delays in hiring and economic activity, particularly in industries dependent on foreign labor. The situation highlights the ongoing challenges of navigating the U.S. immigration system and underscores the need for comprehensive reform. 4. Right-wing coalition pushes for proof of citizenship to vote. A coalition of anti-immigrant activists, known as the Only Citizens Vote Coalition, has teamed up with the American Legislative Exchange Council to propose a bill requiring proof of U.S. citizenship for voting in all public elections. While non-citizens are already barred from voting in federal elections, this bill aims to extend the requirement to state and local elections. Critics argue that this legislation could disenfranchise eligible voters, particularly those who may struggle to obtain the necessary documentation. Although the bill is unlikely to pass in the Democratic-led Senate, it reflects ongoing efforts to tighten voting laws, which could disproportionately affect minority communities. Conclusion: this week's developments highlight the complexities and challenges of U.S. immigration policy, as well as the ongoing debates over voting rights. As these stories continue to unfold, they will shape the future of immigration and influence the lives of millions, both in the U.S. and around the world. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage and analysis of the latest developments in immigration policy next week. We hope you found this update valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about future videos. Until next time, take care and stay engaged with the issues that matter most in the world of immigration.